How to change camera angle in eFootball mobile. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video I'm gonna guide you through the steps on how you can change camera angle in eFootball mobile, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, in order to change the camera angle in eFootball mobile, once you launch the eFootball app and maybe you are within a certain game, so let me just go to a certain game over here. Now you have to change the camera angle whilst you are in the middle of a particular game. You can do this in event matches or even on online division matches. Now for this, what you have to do is within the game, just pause the game first and now go to this option called camera on the right hand side of this page. Now over here you can go ahead and then choose various other camera angles that might be fitting for you. So this way you will be easily able to change the camera angle on eFootball mobile. I hope the video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial and see you soon in our next video.